Hey, if you're out there on the flat line, look at these airplanes that T6 and SNJ is running for us right now. Please be careful with your eyes. They're going to pull the airplanes out and turn a taxi on taxi. They may kick up some dust. It takes a lot of power to get these 5,000-pound airplanes moving. And they're going to kick up some stones and some grass and dust. We don't want it in your kids' eyes or your eyes. So please be careful if you're behind the airplanes.
What do you mean by winner?
The person who gets the biggest prize.
Wait, so it's tied and the person who is first?
We have the SNJ, we have the Harvard. They're all three the same actual airplane. Just an agent of the SNJ. They'll be airport. And Captain Cole of the Harvard. That's second T6 taking off. That was basically now as the T6 spots make their formation, this is what's called the fingertip formation. And once they come around from our left to right doing the right traffic course, they'll understand what we call the fingertip formation. Put your hand out in front of you right now and hold your fingers up. You'll look at, well, these fingers never length. Well, that's your fingertip formation coming by right. That's where it gets its name from, the fingertip formation. That's Mr. Buzz Cortez on his right leg. He's got a Russo on his left leg. Mr. Tom Malone on the left, Mr. Andy Needle on the right. We're B-25 out from the Mid-Atlantic Air Museum in Reading, Pennsylvania. What's called the diamond formation again, and Nicolini. And the Russo and the slot. B-25 out from the Mid-Atlantic Air Museum in Reading, Pennsylvania. He just bought this airplane about a month ago, just brought it back here to the West Coast. This is a Roush Rolls-Royce engine. That's right, Jack Roush of NASCAR fame wins enough races. Has a shop who makes parts and makes better parts than the Rolls-Royce product. This engine is one of those engines that is sort of lack in horsepower as it climbs up in altitude. You gotta listen to this one.